G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a stunning, luxurious townhouse at Sunsea Bay in Pialba. You really need to see what's on offer to appreciate the value. Let's go and take a look around. Situated in the popular bayside suburb of Pialba, Sunsea Bay is a secure, gated community ideal for those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, or a solid investment opportunity offering strong returns. Completed in 2009, Sunsea Bay comprises a selection of architecturally designed townhouses with a contemporary coastal design. A place where peace and privacy meet in the cosmopolitan heart of a thriving coastal community. You will appreciate and enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being able to stroll to key amenities nearby, including Woolworth Shopping Centre, medical centres, the Bowls Club, the Hervey Bay RSL Club, where you've got a selection of cafes and restaurants to choose from, and shortly we'll have a brand new Anaconda and Spotlight store just up the road, and opposite that you've got Bunnings. Set over 2 levels, this home has high ceilings throughout with fresh interiors, high quality finishes, and a spacious open plan design for effortless indoor-outdoor living with a large pet-friendly private courtyard and intercom system to the front gates. The vast open plan living and dining area does form the heart of this home on the ground floor, with the stylish galley style kitchen off to the side. The gourmet kitchen features stunning marble bench tops and 2-pack cabinetry with high-end European Smeg appliances, including an induction hot plate with range hood, a wall oven, convection microwave oven, and an LG dishwasher. And you've also got an InSinkerator and water filter as well. The dining and living area seamlessly connects with that wonderful alfresco outdoor entertaining area and private courtyard. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. There is also a powder room with toilet on the ground floor, accessed through the laundry, and there's great storage under the stairwell. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across that main living and dining area on the ground floor, as well as all 3 bedrooms upstairs. Heading upstairs, you'll notice the carpet has been recently replaced and flows through all 3 spacious bedrooms. All 3 bedrooms also include ceiling fans, split system air conditioning, and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning, and a lavish ensuite with floor-to-ceiling tiles, a sumptuous spa bath, shower, vanity, beautiful marble bench tops, and a toilet. The bathroom again features floor-to-ceiling tiles and includes a shower and vanity with marble bench tops, and there is a separate toilet as well. You also have a spacious second living area or retreat with built-in cabinetry upstairs, which includes split system air conditioning and would make an ideal home office or an area to relax, kick back and read a book. This home includes a spacious double garage with remote panel lift door, and you've got direct internal access into the home. The energy conscious will appreciate the solar power system, and you've got solar hot water as well. Townhouses of this calibre in this location are rare and sure to be in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.